In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a swim lane in Lucidchart. It's a relatively simple process that should take about 5 minutes. Let's get started with the steps. First, head over to the Lucidchart website. Once you're there, locate and click on the login button to get things rolling. Enter your email address in the designated field and select next. Then type in your password to complete the login process. Once you're all logged in, you'll be directed to the home page, which is your central hub for creating or accessing any diagrams. Here you're going to click on the new button. This action will open up a selection menu on the screen. From that menu, choose Lucidchart to initiate the creation of a new diagram. Now you're going to create from a template. That's right, no need to start from scratch. Click on create from template and a search bar will appear. Type in Swimlane template into that search bar. This template will lay the foundation for our swimlane diagram. Once you see the swimlane template, select it. With the template selected, you need to click on the Use button, which will open the template in the editor window. Now with your template open in the editor, the next step is to give your chart a name. Choose something descriptive that will help you easily identify it later. With a name in place, you're ready to personalize your swimlane diagram further. You can click to drag and edit the chart to fit your specific needs. This includes adjusting lanes, rearranging elements, and more. When it comes to adding shapes, click and drag them from the toolbar to the desired location on your swimlane chart. This action will help differentiate the steps, roles, or phases of the process you're diagramming. Position them well to ensure clarity and a logical flow of information. Once your shapes are in place, it's time to connect them. This is where you add lines to demonstrate the flow of your process, or to indicate interactions or dependencies between steps. To do this, select the line tool and draw it from one shape to another. Make sure your connections are clear and make sense in the context of your diagram. And that's it! By following these steps, you'll have successfully added a swim lane to your Lucidchart project, making it easier to delineate roles and responsibilities, or to visualize how complex interactions occur within a system. Thank you for watching, and happy charting!